Hello everyone, this video will cover the unboxing and the setup of my custom wheel set for the Nordest Candonga frame set with Pinion gearbox. I wanted to have a pair of wheels below 1.8 kilograms with very strong rims but overall quite stiff for good power transfer, quick climbs and carrying touring luggage. My weapons of choice are, for the front hub, Hope RS4 J Bend Centerlock rotor, 32 holes, 12 by 100 mm axle. The rear hub is Pinion H2r, 32 holes, 12 by 142 mm axle with 6-bolt rotor. Oozy Trail 295, 29 inches, 32 holes rims were chosen. Sapim D-Light spokes were used in a 3-cross lacing pattern. The wheels were built by Andreas Müller from Radsporttechnik Müller.de at a cost of €389, excluding the Pinion H2r hub, which was a gift from Pedro Jeronimo from Nordest Cycles. Additionally, I will set up the wheels tubeless using Panaracer GravelKing SK TLC 700 by 43C tires and no tubes tire sealant. For the front rotor, I chose TRP TR-25 Centerlock 2-piece 160mm and for the rear rotor TRP TR-29 6-bolt 160mm. Let's begin! I was positively surprised to see that tubeless tape was already installed by Andreas. Fantastic! At a first glance, the wheels are looking very mountain bike-ish, which I find sexy. The spokes are very tight, so they will be stiff as I wanted. Other great surprises were the t-shirt and the tubeless valves that came in the box. Dankeschön, Andreas. Too bad indeed, I bought already valves. The rear H2r hub seems quite interesting. The free hub is very easy to detach, which makes the service of the poles and the bearings very easy. The front wheels weighs 817 grams, while the rear wheel weighs 1 kilo and 37 grams. Not too bad. To set up the wheels tubeless, I will make sure first that the tape makes a good contact with the rim so that the tire bit comes in easy. I will work my way across both sides of the rim and give a thorough wipe with a dry towel. The rims are wide with a wave UBA profile, which could make the tubeless installing difficult. Next I will install the valve and I will make sure that it sits as tight as possible. The Panaracer GravelKing tires are a bit tight, but not impossible to fit without additional tools. Now, I will try to fit the tire on the rim using a floor pump. I do not have a compressor or a CO2 inflator. So I will lubricate the tire with water and soap on both sides. Next, I will pump air into the tire as fast as possible. Unfortunately, the air leaks out. The only way I have managed to set up the wheels tubeless was to fold inwards the middle of the tire by applying clamps all over the circumference of the tire. Once the tires are on rims, the air was released and 80 ml of sealant was inserted using a syringe. Air was pumped again to 35 psi and a bit of shaking distributed the sealant inside the tire. The rear 6-bolt rotor was installed by tightening every 2 opposite screws. The same treatment was applied to the front wheel. The front Centerlock rotor was installed using the same tool required for installing a cassette and a 24mm open-end wrench. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.